Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time you're seeing my face, my name is Fatima. Today we're doing my makeup, guys. I've been trying very hard to work on my skin, and I think I'm getting there with my skin, guys. It's very sensitive. I'll show you my skin routine in another video, but I think I'm getting there, guys. I didn't want to show you guys before I really know whether it works or it doesn't work. So I'll read this market. Anyhow, guys, let's do my makeup. I'll do the voiceover. Outside, they're cutting the grass. Opposite my house, they're cutting the grass. You know, it's almost festive season, so I'll do a voiceover. Let's get started, guys. So I will start with the spoolie. I'm supposed to trim my brows. I got my eyebrows microbladed. I need to retouch, but the way it was so painful, I couldn't. So I'll still go and retouch. Guys, we are using a gel eyeliner with the angle brush to fill in my brows, guys. So to just give them more definition, to make them to pop and pop. So that is what I'm doing, guys. Next, we're using a concealer to fill in. This is a creamy beige, is the one I'll use under my brow. Up, I'll use a, what do you call this, warm honey. Yes, it's warm honey I will use next. As you can see, I started with the cleaning down. We want this brows popping, guys. Don't you think my skin is better than last time? My skin is getting better. The redness is almost gone. I will show you my skin routine in the next video. I think I didn't want to show you guys the products before I can really test it and know that it works. This is creamy beige and then warm honey. We're going to go in with warm honey up to clean up. So as you can see, brows are not meant to be twins. Sometimes they can be cousins, sometimes they can be sisters. Okay, so that is what I'm doing, guys. I know that I'm not perfect, but I just love sharing. Maybe it can help one or two people who are struggling like me. I'm not perfect with doing my makeup. In the olden days, before all this fashion and the latest way to do makeup, I feel like I was perfect, but right now I'm not. I'm not perfect. So we blend, guys. We blend. After blending, this palette is from Shein as well. I'll take just for the base that light brown sort of. I don't know. The color is what? Yeah, it's light brown sort of. It's just like my skin tone. I'll go in with that. Next, I will choose the color that I will use. You know, I've got hooded eyelid, so this is why I don't normally like bright colors. To use bright colors on my eyes. Anyway, I don't like bright colors on my eyes, guys. So guys, I don't know whether I should participate in Vlogmas, but even if I participate, I know I'm not going to be consistent, or I'm doubting myself, or fear of failure. Fear of failure is hinder my progress in YouTube journey, because sometimes I will record the video. I don't know how many videos I've recorded. I won't publish them. I will post them, but I won't publish them because I'm just having fear that, because I never knew like exactly my target viewers. You know, to know target viewers, you need to have a lot of comment. People, they need to tell you, okay, try to change here, work on this, or what. Because constructive criticism, I believe that it makes us to grow. So I'm going in with the burgundy. Yes, I love burgundy. You can see my accent wall, it's burgundy as well. Burgundy there. So that is the color, and then I'll use the dark one on the corner of my eyes. That is what I'm using. So as I was saying, guys, that as I was telling you guys, that this YouTube things is not quite easy. I thought it's like, okay, you do videos, you post, it's easy to reach your your target viewers, because mainly why I started my channel, I'm going in with the gold. Mainly why I'm starting my channel, I love sharing, I love meeting new people. Like normal, like in my daily life, I feel like I'm an introvert, but with videos it will help me to communicate with a broader audience, because I'm starting to come out of the shell. Like we're on camera, like I'm more out of the shell, but like if you meet me personally, I'm more of an introvert. So this eyeliner as well, guys, I bought it in Shein. I thought it would be easy to use. It's anything in my eyes, guys. My eyes are so sensitive. It is not even funny. It's not even funny. They are too sensitive. So that is what I'm using to go in there. And it's just life in general, guys. For me, I find it hard to make friends. So I thought YouTube is good. It's a good platform to share and meet new people, to share my ideas and the love of plus size fashion. And because I've known how I struggle as a apple shape plus size, I'm not like a normal plus size with a small tummy, with a big buttocks. I'm not that type. Plus size, they vary from different. There's plus size that they are cinch on the waist with a big. I'm not that type of plus size. I'm big around the stomach. I don't have big butts. I don't have big breasts. So I thought maybe there's so many plus size who looks like me who can relate with the style that I'm bringing. But I just find it very hard to get the target market. So, but anywho, I wanted to give up, but at the same time, I'm contouring my face, guys. I'll be telling you guys stories while I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm contouring my face. This is a creamy beige. I use a, what do you call it? I use foundation, a dark foundation to contour. This is what I was thinking, that it would be easy like that. Sometimes I look at people's videos. I said, what am I doing wrong? The views are good. The subscribers are good. It's now that I'm starting to, but the engagement is really not quite there where I want to be. But anywho, because this is what I love, this is why I didn't give up. I just started again. I said, let me start again and do what I love. I enjoy it. It brings out my personality. I believe, like, if you see me in the video, it brings out my personality. But if you see me like physical, I feel like I'm very boring. So that is why I started again. Luckily for me, I didn't start YouTube like for financial growth and what no, or financial benefits, as I can say. I started because I enjoy what I'm doing and I love sharing. If God willingly, it bring a financial benefit for me, it's still fine, but it's not something that's like I'm mad about it. Do you understand? Like, oh, I need to get paid this moment or what. No, it's not that. But it's sometimes it's good when you're doing something, you have direction, you have people who can say no. Constructive criticism, guys, is good. It makes us as human beings to grow. I believe that you don't need to be closed off. You don't want people to tell you like where you are going wrong. I believe that constructive criticism makes us to grow. So I'm always like waiting for people to comment, say, okay, maybe we can change it up like this. You will never know who will help you to grow in life. So that is what I believe in, guys. Don't have fear to start new thing, guys. Fear is always you, or it's a prison. You imprison yourself. So I'm using a mascara to do my eyelashes. Fear, actually, it's the thing that will imprison you. So don't have fear to start new things. God willingly, God will open a way for you. Because if you never try, you will never know. So that's the message I got for you guys. Just be motivated. You can start afresh, because I've noticed so many of YouTubers in what I'm doing in my field, I can call it that way. They are much younger than me. Some of them, they don't have families. I think I'm much older than them because I'm 40. So they have time, they stay on their own, they can have time. But for me, it's very hard for me to record. I've got my boys making noise. Until I get my designated place, that is what I'm trying to get outside. Like I'm renovating one of the rooms outside so that I can be fully in and record. But for now, I don't have a designated place. I record in my door entrance. Sometimes it can be hard. I feel like in my husband's room and mine, it's our private personal space. I don't want to use it for videos and what. So guys, good luck, and as we begin a new month, look forward to new things, to new beginnings. Hopefully I'll be able to push myself to do vlogmas. I hope you will enjoy this video. That is a what do you call it, translucent powder, guys. So now I'm lining my lips. I think this look came out very nice. I think I look gorgeous in this look. We spray. Look at the gorgeousness, guys. Look at the gorgeousness. Sometimes you don't need eyelashes to be gorgeous. Look at the gorgeousness. The problem with my natural hair, I got a lot of gray hair, guys. I took after my dad, so my dad had a lot of gray hair. You can see my hair. Girl, you need to work on that hairline. You need to work. You can see my hair is all natural. So that's the final look, guys. I don't know what you think. You know what you do. It's looking gorgeous. It's looking gorgeous. I love this color. It's not too bright. I love the lips. Let me know what you feel. You know what you do. Stay gorgeous, stay fabulous. Bye.